Hi, so how I made over $1,250 in one day with one affiliate offer. Now in this video, I will show you only exactly Google Ads method that you can apply personally yourself as soon as it right now if you're running any Google Ads. Now I know there are many components to this, but I will show you only one component that I think it's really basic but really important if you understand it. So if you're running Google Ads as a ClickBank affiliate, or if you do any other kind of online business and you're running Google Ads, and if you want to have results with Google Ads, then watch this video until the end, because I'm going to show you exactly what is important. As you can see over here, I just made up one keyword, right? How get a boyfriend, how to get a boyfriend, right? And as you know, if you're running Google pay-per-click, right, Google PPC, keyword bidding, then you know that you can target people by what kind of keywords they are searching for on Google search, right? In this example, we have females in the relationship space, right? Dating, how to get your ex back, how to get a boyfriend, how to get a guy, right? How to make him to love me, how to make him to not cheat on me, how to make him to commit to me, right? Many different keywords that you can use. And in this example, I will give you straightforward tutorial, let's say example, step by step, to understand what I mean by intent. You see, on Google search, we are targeting people by intent. What is intent? Intent means, what do I have in my mind when I'm going to the Google search? When I'm at home, for example, I have a back pain right now, right? So I cannot sleep. So what I do, I go to Google and search how to get rid of back pain, right? So on Google, you have many options. You can target keywords by exact match, right? What is exact match? Exact match means that you are targeting people, but exact words they are putting in, right? All the rest are excluded. All the rest are blocked or deleted out, right? So you are targeting only people looking for the exact phrase, right? Exact match. Then you have broad targeting, right? This means that either one of those words can be in the keyword. For example, boyfriend or girlfriend, right? Those words can be in the keyword, right? Or another thing can be like broad one, right? Broad phrase match, which is, for example, just anything connected to the keyword, right? So you have many options, right, to target people with. But what it's really important to understand is who is your audience and what is their intent, right? Intent meaning you cannot target people by just only desire or the interest. Interest and desire are not the same things, right? You can be interested but still not buy, right? So if you have the right amount of desire, if the desire was provoked, right, invoked in you, then of course you will buy and purchase now the product, right? Because if you are in the market for the specific solution, then you will go and purchase that product. Let me give you an example. You can have different awareness levels, right? Some person can be just solution aware, some person can be unaware, right? They don't know that they have a problem. They don't know they need a solution. So if you're spending money on those people, you're basically wasting your money, life and time away, right? So don't do that stupid mistake. Another thing is you can target people by, for example, those who are, let's say, product aware. So this is the most powerful thing, product aware. They already know they are looking for the specific product they want to buy. They just don't know you yet, right? They just don't know they want to buy it from you, your website, right? Or your affiliate link. So what can you do? You can target people by exact product they are looking for. For example, if I'm looking for the iPhone, or if I'm looking for, I don't know, MacBook or whatever, right? Or, I don't know, for example, a hair dryer, right? Of a specific brand, I will type in the Google, where can I buy, right? Where in Texas I can purchase this hair dryer, or where in Florida I can find this, I don't know, for example, hospital, whatever, right? Whatever people are looking for. Plastic surgeon, right? Many different things. So understand intent of your audience. Let me give you an example over here. Let me give you a simple example. You can click here and you can do exact, let's say, keyword. So let me see how to get rid of my back pain. So what is this? This means that people who are on Google typing in this exact keyword from the exact country, from the exact let's say city or exact age group, right? Males, females, above 35 years old, living in Canada, Ontario, right? You can even target them by annual salary. How much do they make? What kind of job they are working at the moment? Are they lawyer, doctor, accountant, whatever, right? Teacher. So you can target people by exact job they have, by exact age group they are in, and the salary they are making every single month, right? Or annually per year. So if you understand that, you can much more easily scale and have results. So if you're watching this video and if you want to know exactly how to put up your website, how to connect your ad groups, and how to scale it up to have consistent, let's say $200 to $1,000 days, right? Every single day as an affiliate, or even per week, right? Imagine making $1,000 a week as an affiliate online. That's $4,000 per month, and that's over $48,000 per year. So ask yourself what you could do with extra, let's say a $50,000 per year or $100,000 per year income, right? It's all depend on you, how much serious you are as you're watching this video. I guess you are serious because you are watching this video. So if you want to know exactly how to put it step by step together, then below this video are going to be links where you can ask me questions, you can connect via social media with me, you can send me an email, WhatsApp message or Instagram message, right? And you can ask me exactly how to work together one-on-one personally with me and have personal support, because most people buy courses, and as you know, most courses are crap because you don't get any hand holding, you don't get any support. So if you're serious, if you're the action taker, then please subscribe to my channel, and below this video are going to be links where you can reach out to me and ask me for more help.